Hi everyone, I'm happy with you. I'm going to present Mathematics 2, Grade 2. Let's start. Okay, today we study Chapter 9 about adding three-digit numbers. Lesson 1 about students, open page 137. 137 about add hundreds. Okay, example, we have more example. What is 300 plus 100? The first time we start in simple example. Now we have 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. That's easy. But if we have more number, what do we do? If we have hundreds, we have 1, 2, 3. 300 plus 100 equal to what? 300 plus 100 equal to 400. There's also we have 4. That's easy. And now, if we have 300 by number plus 100, 300 plus 100, let's see, students. In ones we start 1. Once we have 0, there's ones. In ones we have 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now, in tens, we have 0. In tens also we have 0. In tens also we have 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. And now in hundreds. In hundreds we have 3. In hundreds we have 1. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So 300 plus 100 equal to 400. Equal to 400. Another example we have, I add 5 plus 4 equal to what? 5 plus 4, that's so easy. In my mind we have great number. Which one is greater? 5. 5 plus 4 equal to, we have 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So the answer is 9. This example is so easy. Okay. If we have hundreds, what do we do? 500 plus 400 equal to what? 500, it means we have 5 books in hundreds. Okay. 500 plus 400 equal to 900. 900. Okay, if we have by numbers 500 plus 400. Also there's, we start from ones, after that tens, after that from hundreds. 0 plus 0 equal to, in ones we have 0 and 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. In tens we have 0 also. In tens we have 0. There's also we have 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Now, 5 in hundreds. Now, after tens, we start from, we solve example from hundreds. We have 4 there, and there's we have 5. 5 plus 4 equal to 9, so equal to 900. So students, 500 plus 400 equal to 900. Okay? Student, please write down the answers. I write it. Okay? Another example. Okay, students, we solve more examples. Example 2 or question 2 say 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 equal to 8. That's so easy. We have 5 plus 3 equal to 8. If you have just ones, and this one is ones. 300 plus 500 equal to what? 300 plus 500 equal to 800. Equal to 800. Now by number 300 plus 500. There's also in ones we have 0, in ones we have 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. In tens also we have 0. There's also we have 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. In hundreds, we have 5. In hundreds, we have 3. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So 300 plus 500 equal to 800. Now, question 3 or example 3, 6 plus 0. 0, just we have ones. Just we have ones. Okay. 0 plus 6 equal to 6. That's so easy. If you have 600s plus 000s, we have what? No number. 600s plus 000s equal to 600s. Just we have 600s. Now, 600 plus 0 equal to 600 also. This example is so easy, students. If you have 0, we have plus each number plus 0 equal to the same number. Okay, student, please write down the answers. I'll write it in your book. Okay, now we solve practices. In lesson 1, page 138. Student, please open page 138. Okay. We have 6 practices. Oh, sorry. Okay. I add in practices in page 138, we have practices. I add the numbers. 2 plus 4 equal to what? We have 2 plus 4 equal to, that's so easy. Which number is greater? 4. We have 4 in my mind, and add 2 or plus 2. You can say add or plus. Both of them is right. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. We have 6. That's easy. 200s plus 400s equal to what? 2 plus 4 also equal to 6. We say which number is greater? 4 is greater. Because 4 is greater, we have 4 in my mind, and plus 2 equal to 6. We have 600s. If we have by 200 plus 400, we start from ones, the first time plus the ones, after that plus the tens, after that add or plus hundreds. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 0 in tens column. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. So 200 plus 400 equal to 600. In practice 2, 4 plus 5. Student, in example 2, the first time we have 4 plus 5 because 5 is greater than 4. So we have 5 in my mind and then plus 4. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Equal to 9. 400s plus 500s. 4 plus 5 also equal to 9. Because we have hundreds, we have 9 hundreds. So 400s plus 500s equal to 900s. There's also we have 400 plus 500. Also we have ones, first time add ones and tens, after that 100. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 0 in tens equal to 0 also. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. So 400 plus 500 equal to 900. In example 3 or practice 3, 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. First time also there's which number is greater? 7. 7 is greater, so we have 7 in my mind. After that, plus 1 equal to 8. Equal to 8. So 1 plus 7 equal to 8. This example is so easy. 1 plus 7 or 100 plus 700 equal to what? 1 plus 7 equal to 8. 100 plus 700 equal to 800. There's also 100 plus 700 equal to what? First time from ones, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. In tens we have 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Now 1 plus 7 equal to 8. So 100 plus 700 equal to 0. Okay, example 4, 2 plus 2. This example is so easy, equal to 4. All of them is know about this. 200 plus 200 equal to what? Because you have 200s and 200s, 2 plus 2 equal to 4 equal to 400s. So 200 plus 200 equal to 400s. 200 plus 200, there's from ones, tens, after that 100 also. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Okay, example 5, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, 3 or 4. Which one is greater? Of course, 4 is greater. So we have 4 in my mind and plus 3. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Equal to 7. 300 plus 400 equal to what? 300 plus 400 equal to 700. If you have by number 0 plus 0 equal to 0. In tens, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. So 300 plus 400 equal to 700. Practice 6. Practice 6. 5 plus 0 equals to what? We have 5 plus 0 equal to 5. This example is so easy, equal to 5. 500s plus 000s equal to 500s. We have 500s plus 0 equal to 500s. 500s plus 0. There's in ones we have 0. In tens, 0. In hundreds, we have 5. But there's just we have in ones 0. So 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Because we have any number in tens and hundreds? No. Just write down 0, bring down 0. You can't say write down or bring down 0 and 5 equal to 500. Okay, so 500 plus 0 equal to 500. Okay, students, we are finished in lesson 1. Please write down the answers in your book in page 138. Please write down. Okay, see you in lesson 2, chapter 9. Okay,